Patrol. PUPS Save the Day. Every day is an adventure in Adventure Bay. On Monday, Ryder got a call from Captain Turbot. Some animals needed help at the beach. Ryder called Chase, Marshall, and Zuma. They zoomed to the beach, ready to help. The PAW Patrol arrived just in time. Chase helped 3 baby turtles safely cross the beach to reach their mommy. And then he helped Zuma rescue a kitten lost at sea. Pup-tastic! On Tuesday, Alex was riding his trike in the park. He swerved to avoid a duck. Alex was stuck in the muck, but he knew just who to call. Ryder. Ryder sent Chase and Rubble to help Alex out of the muddy trouble. The police pup was ready to lend a paw. "Chase is on the case," he said. He reached out to Alex as Rubble helped the duck. Possum! On Wednesday, Ryder got a call from Katie. There was a fire at the campground. Katie's cat was so scared that she ran up a tree. Ryder called Marshall. "I'm all fired up," said Marshall. He raced to the campground where he sprayed water to put out the fire. Then he climbed up his ladder to rescue Katie's cat. Hooray for a rough rescue! On Thursday, Ryder got a call from Captain Turbot. He had discovered the secret hideout of the pirate Captain Blackfur. The PAW Patrol followed the clues to Captain Blackfur's ship. It was stuck on a sandbar. They had to pull the ship to land fast before the treasure sunk to the bottom of the bay. Chase hooked the cruiser's winch to the ship. From up above, Sky reported that the ship wasn't moving. The anchor was tangled. Zuma and Ryder dove into the water to free the anchor, and soon the winch was moving again. When the ship finally landed on the beach, the PAW Patrol found the treasure. On Friday, Ryder got a call from Jake. He was stuck on a snowy mountain ledge. Everest used her pup pack to help pull him up. Sky flew in to help too. "This pup's gotta fly," said Sky. On Saturday, Sky spied a small seal in trouble. The rest of the PAW Patrol rolled in for the rescue, and Chase pulled the little guy to safety. Pup, pup, hooray! On Sunday, the pups were ready to spend the day on the farm. Ryder called Farmer Yummy and Farmer Al. "Hi, Ryder," said Farmer Yummy. "Ready to relax?" "Yes," said Ryder. "The PAW Patrol is on the way." After a week of rescues, Ryder makes sure there are plenty of pup treats to share. It's playtime for the PAW Patrol until the phone rings again, because the pups always save the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate it. We'll see you all next time.